Hey everyone, Renee here again, and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Sharing with you guys my perfected vegan cashew queso. That's right, we're gonna be making a queso that's completely plant-based, but it's also not, I went a little bit lighter on the cashews because, you know, cashews kind of do have a lot of calories. So I still wanted to make it somewhat healthy. And I was playing around with a few different flavor combinations, and this one just hit the spot. I grew up in South Texas, in San Antonio, Texas, and queso was pretty much its own food group. I mean, anywhere, any Tex-Mex place you would go, there would be queso. So when I had to go dairy-free, that's probably one of the biggest things that I missed eating. And I tried a few different queso recipes, and this one is by far the best one. My kids who think Taco Bell nacho cheese sauce is the best even love this queso. So let's go ahead and get started on this recipe. As I mentioned, it does have cashews, and I've made it both ways with roasted and raw cashews. And honestly, I think they both turn out the same. If you use raw cashews, then you will need to add a little bit more salt. And if you don't have a high-speed blender like that I use, then you will need to soak your cashews either for a few hours or overnight. All right, guys, so let's get started on this super easy and delicious cashew queso.